Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Discovery, Li Day Huang, where we dive into the fascinating world of food production. Today we're going behind the scenes of one of Korea's most beloved snacks, fish cakes. Ever wondered how these tasty treats are mass-produced in factories? From fresh fish paste to golden cakes you love, we'll walk you through the entire process step by step. If you're curious about how your favorite fish cakes get from the factory to your plate, stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. When I begin my shift, one of the first things I do is inspect the fish paste delivered by our suppliers. The paste comes in large, refrigerated containers, and it's crucial that I verify its temperature to ensure freshness. I help transfer the fish paste to our mixing stations, using forklifts or conveyor systems to move the heavy containers without compromising hygiene standards. Workers start by setting up the mixing machines. The fish paste is transferred into large industrial mixers where I carefully measure and add various ingredients. Accurate measurements are essential for achieving the desired taste and texture. The first ingredient added is starch, which could be wheat or potato-based. This is critical for binding the fish paste and giving the fish cakes their chewy texture. The starch is carefully measured and added through a hopper or feeding system directly into the mixer. Depending on the factory's setup, it may be added in dry form or as a slurry. Depending on the recipe, additional flavors such as garlic powder, onion powder, or pepper are mixed in. For more complex recipes, finely chopped vegetables like carrots or green onions may be added. These ingredients are either pre-measured and added through automated systems or manually poured into the mixer. The mixing machine used is a large industrial-scale device designed to handle large volumes of fish paste. It typically consists of a cylindrical drum with rotating paddles or blades that ensure all ingredients are evenly distributed throughout the mixture. The machine may have various settings to control mixing speed and duration, allowing for customization based on the recipe and desired texture. The fish paste is transferred from the grinding tank using a specialized tool designed for handling thick, viscous materials. This tool ensures a smooth and efficient flow of paste without clogging. The paste is transported through a series of stainless steel pipes that are designed to maintain hygiene and prevent contamination. The machine is equipped with a series of rollers and molds that shape the paste into cylindrical forms. The rollers gently press and extrude the paste through the molds, creating even cylinders of the desired diameter and length. Fish cakes are placed in industrial deep fryers with conveyor belts or baskets. The oil is heated to around 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 to 190 degrees Celsius. After frying, the cakes are drained of excess oil and cooled. The fish cake industry continues to thrive, and it can be said that Aomuk has become an iconic dish for this beautiful port city, made with fresh ingredients sourced from the waters off the coast of South Korea. The shapes of Aomuk have become increasingly diverse, ranging from cylindrical, round, or donut-shaped, with various rich flavors such as traditional, spicy, or even cheese-filled varieties. Aomuk is often used as an ingredient in tteokbokki, spicy rice cakes, stir-fried with vegetables, made into snacks like croquettes, deep-fried breaded cakes, or Aomuk jeon, pancakes. But the best way to enjoy it is in fish cake soup, Aomuk Tang or Aomuk Guk, served alongside traditional soju, offering diners a refreshing, warm, and comforting experience. Aomuk is not just a famous street food in the land of kimchi, but it is also tied to a historical period and the development of South Korea's seafood industry. On cold winter days, holding a warm cup of delicious fish cake soup, feeling the comforting warmth spread through your body, has become a familiar experience for the Korean people. I hope to have the chance to visit and enjoy authentic fish cakes in this beautiful country one day. The roasting process takes place in a specialized rotary drum roaster, designed to expose the fish cakes to dry, intense heat. These machines often feature a conveyor system that moves the fish cakes through a heated chamber where temperatures can reach up to 200 degrees Celsius or 392 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. After mixing the fish paste with other ingredients, the next crucial step in the production of Aomuk, Korean fish cakes, is shaping the paste into flattening forms. One of the most common forms of Aomuk is flat sheets. After mixing, the fish paste is transferred onto a conveyor belt that feeds into a flattening machine. This machine has rollers or press plates that evenly spread the paste into a thin, uniform layer. The thickness of the sheet is carefully controlled, typically ranging from 5 to 10 millimeters, depending on the desired product. These sheets are later cut into smaller, rectangular pieces or further processed for other uses, such as in soups or stir-fries. Machine ensures the oil are loaded evenly, with the fish cakes spread out. Proper spacing ensures the fish cakes don't stick together during frying. The frying time is around 2 to 5 minutes, depending on the desired crispiness. This step gives the fish cakes a golden brown exterior while keeping the inside soft and flavorful. After shaping, the fish cakes are placed onto trays that are fed into large industrial steamers. Workers ensure the trays are loaded evenly, with the fish cakes spread out to allow for even steam distribution. Proper spacing ensures the fish cakes don't stick together during cooking. The steamers are large stainless steel chambers designed to cook multiple trays at once. The steam heats the fish cakes gently, usually at around 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 10 to 20 minutes, depending on the size and thickness. Steaming helps maintain moisture within the fish cakes, creating a soft, tender texture. Fish cakes will be packaged in various forms. They are loaded into pre-formed plastic bags by the machine. Fish cakes are placed on trays using a conveyor system. The trays are then covered with a plastic film, which is heat-sealed by the machine to create an airtight seal. This method keeps the fish cakes fresh and ready for distribution. Flattened fish cakes are placed on a conveyor belt that feeds into the automated packaging machine. The machine is designed to handle flat, uniform shapes, ensuring each fish cake is correctly aligned for efficient packaging. The machine places fish cakes into a sealing chamber, where a plastic film is heat-sealed over the trays to create an airtight package. This process helps preserve the freshness and prevents contamination. The worker places the fish cakes on the conveyor, seals the cartons with tape, and applies labels with product details. All fish cake forms are poured into a large tank, where a worker uses a stick to chop and mix them. This process involves breaking down the fish cakes into smaller pieces and combining them to achieve a uniform consistency. The stick is maneuvered throughout the tank to ensure that the fish cakes are mixed thoroughly and shaped into various forms as required. This step ensures that the fish cakes are well mixed and ready for further processing or packaging. All the fish cake forms are then packaged. The process involves sorting the various shapes and sizes into appropriate packaging. Each form is carefully placed into trays, bags, or other packaging materials depending on the product specifications. Automated machines is used to ensure that each package is filled correctly, sealed, and labeled with product information. This ensures that the fish cakes are ready for distribution and sale, maintaining their quality and freshness. All the packaged fish cakes are placed into cartons by a worker for distribution. The worker carefully loads the fish cakes into pre-formed cartons using a conveyor system, ensuring they are arranged efficiently to maximize space and minimize movement during transport. Once the cartons are filled, the worker seals them with adhesive tape or glue and applies labels with important product information, such as the name, ingredients, and expiration date. The worker then inspects the cartons to ensure proper sealing and labeling before stacking them onto pallets. The pallets are wrapped in stretch film and prepared for shipment to retailers or customers. Thanks for watching our fish cake production tour. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Drop your questions or comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you next time.